Conditions were pretty rough. Thought the track was the roughest one yet this year. Definitely beat me up. I like the rocks, the uphills were fun. Just that dust made it horrible. Couldn't get in a groove and you were just going, stopping, but it was alright, just kept going, had some pretty good battles, and yeah, all in all, it was pretty good.
Yeah, I came into this round hoping for a podium and trying to stay on the podium for the remainder of the year, and third podium, so I'll take it.
Third place right now, Josh Toth. Josh, tell us all about this ride today, man. Here you are back on the podium.
Yeah, I couldn't be happier to be back up on here. That was my whole goal for today, was get back on the podium and stay consistent. So I'm happy with the way I rode, and hope to stay up here for the rest of the year.
I tell you, man, you look pretty fresh. You look like you're in good shape, man. Do you have something left in the tank at the end?
Yeah, I probably could have pushed a little harder at the end, but you don't know until you're done. So.
I know one thing, here you are, man, completing this podium for XC2. Some of the roughest conditions we've seen this year. You got to be pumped, and I know there's a bunch of people that believe in you helping out, man. Who do you want to say thanks to?
I'd like to thank the whole MFAB, AmPro, Yamaha team, all the mechanics, especially Ryan and Lucas for helping out a ton. Everybody that helps out the team, sponsors the team, and Steve Hatch, working with him, has helped out huge, and getting me on this podium definitely helped me.
Awesome, congratulations. Hey, you guys, make some noise right here. Third place today, Josh Toth. An amazing ride by this young man right here.